Hello guys, good evening to all. This is Mike Padua and we're back to our latest analysis. This is the weekend edition of our update for this Friday to Monday, March 15 to 18, 2024. And this is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000 in partnership with Naga College Foundation, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands Sustainable With You program. If you want to know more about the program, just click on the link up here for more details. And if you're watching via Facebook page or via Facebook video, just click on the description up here above our video for more details on, there's a link, okay, towards the BPI Sustainable With You program. Also, this is brought to you by Avenue Plaza Hotel, one of the premier hotels in Naga City. And the local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Congressman Gabi Bordado. So let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat for today. Again, after a few days of northeasterly monsoonal winds across Luzon, yesterday and today we already switched to back to easterly wind flow. That's why yesterday we experienced some rain showers across portions of the Bicol region, as well as some portions of eastern and central Luzon. Today there is still some showers expected over portions of central Luzon, including Metro Manila and the southern Tagalog provinces, but it's fast dissipating. And for the rest of the weekend, we will be experiencing some dry conditions with very low chances of isolated rain showers and thunderstorms. And the effects of the Easterlies are from the Batanes and Bubuyan Cubab Islands, the eastern sections of Cagayan Valley, Central Luzon, Metro Manila, Calabarzon, Romblon, Bicol region, the whole of Visayas. So far, those are the areas affected by the warm easterlies as we move into the 3rd week of March, okay? And we're fast approaching the end of the Amihan season, or the Northeast Monsoon, and we're now moving into the hot dry season, so we expect more days of less or zero rainfall. But we still hope for some showers brought about by the easterly wind flow, as well as developing low pressure areas or even tropical cyclones in the coming weeks or months. Okay. Outside of FAR, we still don't have any developing tropical cyclones or LPAs, just near equatorial trough around here over the southern portion of Micronesia. Okay, here's the fast animation, and you can clearly see here such good weather across our country. Even if we take a peek on the latest windy.com zoom in satellite animation, there's nothing there except for some cloudiness with some drizzles or light showers across the eastern sections of our country, particularly Luzon and some portions of the Visayas. And so far, it's generally dry across our country, and the heat index is slowly increasing. And right now, here in our region, we are experiencing heat index of 38 to 42 degrees Celsius. Now, let's take a look at the windy.com wind and pressure forecast from the European model, valid for the next 2 to 3 days, and we will reach this valid throughout the weekend until Monday. And right now we are experiencing some easterly wind flow. By tomorrow, there's a slight winds from the northeast or northeasterly wind flow from easterlies, and this is expected to prevail throughout the weekend until Monday afternoon. And generally, it's peaceful, quiet, and dry all across the archipelago. And if you take a look at the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days, generally it's dry with very small chances of rain showers across the northern Quezon area, eastern Leyte, and the eastern sections of Caraga. But so far, the chances of this falling will remain low. So it's gonna be dry throughout the next throughout the weekend. And if you take a look at the wave forecast from the European model from windy.com, today we have wave heights here of 1.8 to 2.5 meters across the eastern seaboards or the eastern Philippine Sea, while the rest of the inland waters of our country, including the West Philippine Sea, it will remain 0.3 or calm up to 1.5 meters. Okay, and by tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday until Monday, the wave heights here across the Philippine Sea will dramatically decrease to around 1.5 to 1.9 or 2 meters across the eastern portions of the Philippine Sea, while wave heights over the inland portion will remain calm to very light waves, as well as here across the West Philippine Sea, reaching a height of only 1 meter. So it's very good, very nice for fishing activities and sea travel. As well as air travel, it's gonna be good all throughout the archipelago. Okay, and before we leave you, here's the latest Global Tropics Hazards Outlook from the Climate Prediction Center, issued last Wednesday, and this is valid for the next 2 to 3 weeks. We're in the third week, which will remain highly uncertain with very low probability. Now let's take a look at the week 2, valid March 20 to March 26. The Philippine Islands will remain in a normal climate, although we are still feeling the effects of the El Nino. Palawan is the only area where below average rainfall will be expected of more than 50%, and the rest will remain under the influence of the El Nino phenomenon. Okay, so that's the second week. For week 3, valid March 27 to April 2nd. It's all quiet across the Philippine Islands, very with dry conditions and some showers along the eastern sections of our country, but generally it will be calm, hot and dry as we move into the hot dry season until the month of May or June. Okay, so let's conserve water and prepare for continuing effects of the El Nino phenomenon. Okay, as we move into the third week, this is valid March 27 to April 2, the Philippine Islands will remain quiet. Nothing extraordinary except for some dry conditions all throughout the country with some chances of light showers, particularly the eastern sections of the country. But this forecast will remain highly uncertain. But so far, it's so good across our country. And that ends our update for today, Friday, and this is throughout the weekend. And we will bring you more updates early next week. Okay, I hope you'll have a great hot and dry conditions, dry weekend ahead. From Typhoon2000, this is Mike Padua saying happy weekend to all. Enjoy, stay safe always, and thank you so much for watching our channel. God bless to all.